All right, welcome back to this part two. As you can see, we're starting to demolish. You can follow me. We started to demolish the restaurant here. We took out the seats, the ugly seats there. We're destroying this part inside here as well. This is going to be a customer room here. I don't know if I'm going to sofas yet, like a little sofa lounge on the first floor. Another part that was kind of expensive was the toilet. If you remember, follow me. If you remember, the toilet were like a squat toilet. Now we put some real toilet. They're that way here. They're inside here. Like I said, as you can see, we started to destroy everything. I kind of finalized my design here. It's gonna be a bar here. I think we're gonna be able to sit 12 people at the bar. And the rest of the first floor is gonna be, I think, high table and high chairs, minus the small room there where it's gonna be tables or sofa. I'm not sure yet. I settled on the colors, but I'm not sure because the floor is black and I'm not gonna redo the floor. It's gonna be a dark blue and a black, then a dark blue with a strip of wood in the middle to break the colors. I'm pretty sure that's what it's gonna be. I still have to think about it. The painting guys haven't given me a quote yet. Follow me again. And I'm waiting for the previous owner to take out their garbage. Those hot pot tables are shit. Nobody wants to buy them. So I told them that this is not a warehouse for you. It's my place. So also good news, if you follow me, remember we had stickers on the wall everywhere that I couldn't paint. Finally, I tried to remove part of it and I can paint under. There's no glue there. It's gonna paint okay under it. So there you go. I haven't decided if I'm going to use a sticker to restick the entire restaurant or if I'm gonna paint it. I'm looking for two quotes to see which one is cheaper and which one is easier. The sticker part is great because it's easy to wash. You can wash over it. The painting part sucks because if you wash too much, the paint color will fade a little bit. So I'm not sure yet where I'm going with this. Like I said, I'm waiting for some quotes. The two toilets there, they cost me $600 a piece, so that's $1,200 out of my budget. It is what it is, a plumber. We had to redo concrete and we had to redo like plumbing, so that's why it cost so much money. Not very happy about it, but when I rented the place, I saw that they were like crapper, like squatting crappers. So anyway, that's done. That's out of my budget for sure. So I'm waiting. I'm gonna go shopping for tables and kitchen equipment this afternoon, and I'll let you know later what's going on with that, and I'll do a recap on how much money I spent. Catch you later.